Hello. Today I have acquired a new plane and it's called the Duet S2. It's right in front of me. And this is, I know I've stated that the best beginner RC plane is the Apprentice S2, but anyone who wants like a small plane or something like that and they don't want like something as big as the Apprentice, they can go for something like the Duet. And I mean, it kind of could be better for a beginner than the Apprentice, but we'll see. So we're gonna unbox it, show what it looks like, and the reason I got it was because I wanted to fly in my backyard. It's that small. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, and let's get into it. Alright, so first, as you can see, this has a safe, and it has 2 flight modes. On the Apprentice, it has 3 flight modes. A beginner, experienced, and intermediate. This only has beginner and experienced. And that has to do with basically how small it is. It comes with its own transmitter too, that contributes to it for that reason. But basically everything is included in the box. Safe. I think you all know what safe is, where it limits the bank angle. And it's really small. It's a twin motor, so if you want to like learn how to fly twin motors, this would be a good plane to get. And like I said before, it's a great backyard flyer. So let's unbox it. There it is. That's fine. So, it's made out of foam, and the transmitter's right here. It comes with batteries. It comes with batteries too. So these, I think these are for the transmitter, and then this is, I can pull it out, the 1S battery that goes into the plane. Now, I also ordered another one. This one's by Spectrum, good brand for batteries, but this is a 1S. So that's there. Alright. Let's take this tape off. This is extremely light. Very short wingspan. Look, it's not even longer than my arm. Even the wingspan. And this isn't. What's interesting is this little cockpit area isn't foam just painted black. It's like actual transparent plastic. If you want, I'm sure you can take off this landing gear. This can easily be hand thrown. No doubt about that. Now let's take a look at the transmitter. And so these are your basic controls. In order to get from beginner to experience, or experience to beginner, you just press that down. This is power. There's no batteries in there, so it's not a complicated transmitter. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and see if I can bind my other transmitter, my DXS, to this plane. See how it works. But yeah. Alright, to start, I think I'm gonna start explaining the batteries. So the batteries are 1S. They're really small, and the battery compartment is right here. So the package comes with a E-Flite battery, 3.7 volt, 150 milliamp. But what I did was I ordered a Spectrum 1S battery. This one's a 210 milliamp. And I'm not gonna take the plane apart because it's new. I just don't want to. Alright, so I put the batteries in, and you can hear all the control surfaces moving because of safe is on. But an interesting thing about this is, look, it has no ailerons or a rudder, and that's because it steers using motors. So if you want to turn this way, this one will reduce its power, this one will increase its power. That's basically how it turns, using motor differential. You can see here. Let me move. So look, motors can move independently, and that's the reason why there's no ailerons or rudder. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and I forgot to mention, so I have the battery charging up here, but the charger comes in the package too, so you don't need to get a charger. Actually, let me unplug it. Right here. So I had the battery in here, and this is the charger, just a simple USB. Put the battery in here. There you go, it charges. Now, the wingspan is only 20 inches. So again, that's really small. It can be easily flown in small parks and backyards. And what's interesting is this cannot be steered. It has no rudder, and it has no rear wheel steering. And this is a tail dragger, if you couldn't already tell. So there's not much to say about this airplane, besides how convenient it is, and how it's just able to fly anywhere, even inside gyms. And its weight is 43 grams, which is pretty insane. Yeah, I think that's it. I'll go more in depth when I fly this and show how it flies soon. But that's it for this video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. That's all I have.